Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to get started installing the required software in order for you to run and program in Kotlin. So the first piece of software that is very essential is the Java JDK. Now, most of you may have heard of the Java JDK, and basically it is the development kit basically that is made by Oracle that allows you to use the Java subsystem for programming. So it's really not that hard to install. All you have to do is just fire up the browser of your choice and just search for the Java JDK. It's as simple as that, really. So once you've searched for the Java JDK, it should open up in the first link down below. So Java SE Development Kit 8, that is the latest version as of this recording, and it's going to show you this wonderful little box right here with the development kit downloads, and it basically asks you to accept the license agreement or decline it. So you can go through the license agreement, but it's going to be quite long, so that's really up to you. So you then have your basically your different operating systems from which you can download, and they are different architectures. So if you want Linux, you have 64-bit and 32-bit versions of the JDK, and for different versions of Linux you have the Debian and RPM format. You can basically extract it and run it in your home directory. If you're running this on Windows, you have your 64-bit and 32-bit versions. So if you're running a 32-bit version, you can download the x86 version right here. If you're running the 64-bit version of Windows, you can download the x64 version, which is what I have. Now I already have downloaded it, so I'm going to basically skip that step, and we're going to get started with the installation. So just close up your browser once you're done downloading the file, and it should be this little icon here. The installation should be the same regardless of your system architecture, whether you're 32-bit or 64-bit. So all you have to do is just double click it, and it should open up the installer. It could take a while depending on your system, but mine has already started the setup. Just give it a few seconds, shouldn't take that long. And it has started the installation process, so it's going to open the installer. That took quite a while, but it shouldn't take more than a minute, I think, to say the least. All right, so here we are. It's going to say welcome to the installation wizard for Java, the Java development kit. So it's going to start computing the installation requirements, and you all have to do is hit next. Don't change anything right here. Hit next, and it's going to start installing the Java JDK. So give it a few minutes, or I think about 2 minutes for it to install. Again, it all depends on your computer's performance. So just let this run, and I'll get back to you once it's done. Alright, and once it starts installing the Java, just let it continue. Again, it shouldn't take too much time, but I'm going to skip this process until it's done, and I'll meet you there. Alright, and once it's actually done installing Java, it's going to tell you the Java SE Development Kit update 131, basically the latest version of this of Java as of the recording, has been installed successfully. So you want to just hit close. Now, to perform a basic test to see whether Java is fully integrated, this is basically what you have to do. I want you to basically search for CMD or your command prompt. So you just want to search for CMD in your search menu. This will work on any version of Windows. So you can be running this on Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7. Just search for your CMD, which is your command prompt. I have mine right here. So just open it up, and it's going to start up. And all you have to do is just hit Java. All right. So you just want to hit Java, and it's going to, if it gives you this result, it means that Java is fully integrated. If it doesn't give you this result, what you have to do basically is you have to go into your computer, and you have to go into this PC right here and go into your properties section. All right. Now, once it opens your properties section, you want to go into advanced system settings. All right. Now, once you've opened advanced system settings, you want to go into environment variables. So you want to open that, and you want to go into the path section right here. So this is basically under system variables. You want to go into the path section and just hit edit. All right. Now in the path section, you basically want to go now into, you leave that open, and you want to go back into your computer and open your local disk, see where your Windows is installed, basically your system hard drive and go into your program files and go into scroll all the way down into your Java folder, and you want to go into the Java JDK folder right here and open this folder. Now once you're in the Java JDK folder, you're going to go up here to the basically the location tree or the directory tree up here. This is basically showing you all the locations, and you just want to right click and copy address. Once you've copied the address, you want to come here and hit new. Alright, so basically when edit the environment variable, just hit new and paste that location there. As you can see, mine is already there. If this doesn't work, just add a backslash and add the bin. Just add the bin section right there. As you can see, I already have added mine, so I don't need to. So I'm just gonna delete this one right here. So this is basically what you want to have. And once you're done, just hit OK, and you should be good to go in terms of Java. So that's basically it for this video. In the next video, we're gonna get started installing IntelliJ, which is basically our editor that we're going to be using for Kotlin, to learn Kotlin, and we'll get started with Android Studio when it comes to integrating Kotlin with Android Studio. So if you have any questions, let me know in the Q&A section of the course. Thank you so much for watching.